Hey, what's up? Bertrand the Tech Man. So in this video I'm going to show you how to step up your game with a Depstech 4K autofocus ultra high definition webcam. Let's check it out. Now, first of all, if you're new to my channel, help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can support this channel. So inside the box we see the guide. We see some decorative camera face covers. The 4K webcam itself. A nice little mini tripod and a webcam cover. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead on and put this nice camera cover on it. Press it down firmly and now you're covered. Okay, so now you got your camera cover there, which is nice. Okay, so now let's go ahead on and hook this bad boy up. So the hookup is very simple. You just basically take your USB type A cord cable, place it into a slot on your computer, like this, and put it behind the computer. Now let's talk about the main features of this. Alright, you have, of course, it's made out of hard plastic. You got your dual speakers on the bottom, left and right, so that's going to give you stereo sound. You got your mount on the bottom as well, and you can rotate it 360 degrees and at just about any angle that you want to use. Now it feels like it's pretty firm, pretty steady, well built. Now, some of the main features are you have 4K ultra high definition, you got the WHDR technology, you can use it for video conferencing, it has dual microphones, it's plug and play, and it has horizontal 360 resolution. Now, for the geeks out there like me and the nerds out there like me, you have a 380, you have a 3840 by 2160 px as far as the resolution is concerned, and it runs at a frame rate of 30 frames per second. DC voltage is 5 volts, and it has auto focusing. Now let's test it out. So this is what it looks like with my regular camera. The camera from the computer, and this is what it looks like with the Webcam. You'll notice that the image quality is a whole lot better. It brings the picture in and it follows you. Automatic focus in and out. It's nice. The quality is really good, especially when you add some light to it. Now with the Webcam or any, you can use whatever software that comes with the computer. For example, if I wanted to make some adjustments, I could go into the video settings and I could soften up my appearance. Any settings that you have for your software, it works with this. I can adjust for low lighting, mirror, or whatever. All of the settings that you use for your regular computer can be used on this as well, so it works with the software that you have the Depstech camera connected to. Now, as far as the speakers are concerned, I'm going to say that the sound from the speakers are average, if not mediocre. So if you're looking at something as far as your speaker is concerned, then you don't want this. But if you're looking as far as the quality of your picture, then this is really nice, especially for the price. Now you can set it up where you have a separate microphone for your speaker if you want to, and that certainly would make it the ideal situation. So I think that for the price that you pay for this is an excellent price. I think I paid something like $59 for it. A link will be in the description below. Now, if you found value in this quick review of the Depstech 4K webcam, help a tech brother out. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, share, and comment. In the comment section, let me know what type of camera do you use for your Zoom or Microsoft Teams setup. I'm Bertrand Techman. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.